Yeah, once he's tired again. He's getting there. I know, buddy. Let me see that rope. Yeah, pull him out a little bit. You ready?
He's behind you. You're looking at the wrong guy. I don't do dinosaurs.
You want to jump on him? Huh? Yeah, I'm going to take the head. You ready?
Yeah, how far up?
I'm going to go to the head, and you just sit on his body.
Luke, I'm proud of you.
Just keep the weight on him. Give me one more. One more for weight.
I got duct tape. One more duct tape.
And a towel to cover his eyes up.
Have a towel? Got a towel. Hey guys, back off the street. Guys, back off the street. Mike, do you want the rope tight?
You're fine the way you got it. I just need tape.
That's gonna be alright.
I just need something to cover his eyes so he chills out.
I know, George is getting a towel.
Take a strip of tape. Just cover his head, like behind his nose, like where my left hand's at.
Take the left side.
We're gonna tape his mouth shut. I got his mouth. Just go underneath the rope, like right here is where you want to get. It's hot. All right, break that off. Let's go around a couple more times.
Yeah, just go ahead and use that hole. We're just using like two rounds. Is that what we're doing? We got plenty. Is there like an alligator?
Can you tape his front legs together behind me? I have him like tucked back. So you're just taking his, yeah, like behind his back, like you're handcuffing him.
Wait, you want to wrap the rope around his jaw too?
No, it's alright. Yeah. scoot up. I know, baby. And you're gonna do the same thing with his back legs.
Boom! Snap and all.
Up, we need to talk a little bit.
All right.
Yeah.
Hey, so when he's tied up like that, he just... Mike, doesn't have tape?
Yeah.
We only wear like 3 guns. That looks like a hope and a prayer, Mike.
Yeah, I want to get the rope off.
He spent about 10 minutes doing this.
Well, if he rolled and all that, that's what you want. You don't want to jump over full energy and beat the crap out of you.
Yeah.
Usually what I do is I'll lasso him and tie him off to a telephone pole. Just let him do what the hell he wants.
You're looking at the telephone pole right there.
He'd find out it's not a telephone pole. He'd beat the crap out of him.
He's like, I'm not yeah, we'll write that one off. That's cool. It's all right.
Oh, don't tell me you got that in his mouth.
It's not the end of the world. You cut the end off. There is more rope in the plan.
Yeah, that's not coming out right now.
Can I grab that?
Yeah, you just cut it right here.
Grab that?
No, he's got his teeth in it. Pull it tight.
Can you do a damage log?
Yeah, just put like. You good with that?
You can't keep him out in the middle of nowhere and charge him a lot of money for a 6-foot gator. That's a 6-foot gator.
He's probably 10, right?
Well, that's a permit river here, but I've never seen them. Well, I caught a big.
You can take like a piece of scope from here to cover his eyes.
We got the 10-footer out of Alligator Park a year ago. There's a lot of big ones around. We gotta tell them. Where are we? Everglades? 10-foot gators. There's no shortage.
Joey, what was more entertaining?
Huh?
What was more entertaining? Dude, what the? I know.
I'd love to be part of this train.
He's warming back up again.
Oh yeah, dude, I'm jumping.
I don't even think he's professional. He's rubber shit.